Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock for cats. First, gather your ingredients. About 1 pound of chicken, such as backs or necks, and 8 cups of filtered water. Ensure the chicken is plain, without any seasonings or marinades. This simple, unseasoned stock offers excellent hydration and beneficial nutrients for your feline friend, supporting their overall health and well-being. To begin, place your 1 pound of chicken pieces, which can include bones and a small amount of meat, into a large stock pot. Pour in 8 cups of cold, filtered water, ensuring the chicken is fully submerged. Next, bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. This initial boil helps to release impurities before you reduce the heat for simmering. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer gently for a minimum of 4 hours, or even up to 8 hours for a richer flavor. During this time, occasionally skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. After simmering, let the stock cool completely before straining it through a fine mesh sieve to remove all solids. After straining, allow the stock to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, or freeze it in ice cube trays for longer storage, up to 3 months. Serve 1 to 2 tablespoons daily, either mixed into your cat's wet food or offered as a hydrating treat. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. This nutritious stock is a wonderful addition to your cat's diet.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.